Welcome to the demo for TimeTracer, back in time traceability replaying. We use chronology as an example where we have a lot of issues that represent art requirements, issues, safety cases, and so on that have a lot of changes that change in different times and different phases of the project, and that have a lot of trace links that also again change frequently across time. These we want to track to see what state was the project in at a particular time. To this end, we store these artifacts in a graph database where each of these issues and each of these artifacts becomes a node, and we track which relations are between these, so which traces are between these nodes. Additionally, we store all the changes in this database as well. The Java API itself provides then ability to forward change by change in either direction or forward and backward to a particular time as desired. So we have, for example, forward where we just apply the next time change, or we can also go back in changes where we kind of apply first the newest change and then apply all the changes then. For our demo purpose, we integrated with a quality constraint checker that allows us to check the state and the traces at a particular time. For that, we have a command line interface and we load the session. So in this case, we load around 10,000 changes from 1,000 issues, set it to the earlier state, insert them into our quality constraint checker, which means it analyzes those Jira issues now that we add. In this case, there's some requirements. Then we check these constraints. And then we look in our tool, in this case an add-on, where we have for each issue, for each process, basically the trace checks and the quality checks. And here we see that there was just one step and two constraints have been checked and both are not fulfilled yet. So we have checked this for every single issue. Now we forward this, for example, to a recent time. Again, we do this for the whole database. It's really quick to apply those changes, as you can see here. And again, we just select these artifacts. It's because due to work in progress, it's not quite done, quite convenient yet. And here now you see we load the new versions. So the more recent versions, we see there are more steps per process, and there were also additional traces now, additional checks that were done now. Thank you.